Picture lang po. Salamat. Salamat po. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Salamat po. Okay na po. Thank you.
Congrats po.
Ate Maria, beautiful speech.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Salamat po.
Bye po. Okay.
Dito na po tayo para makalabas po ng gabi.
Okay, sige. Salamat.
Marian, congrats.
Thank you. Thank you. Congrats! Thank you.
Wait lang po. Ano, yan. Sa red card. Excuse po.
Hello. Thank you. Thank you. Hala, akong kasama.
Sorry.
Ano na, Don?
Ganda naman, grabe. Sure.
Ay, saan ba ako?
Kailangan na.
Miss Maria, nandiyan yung kamukha mo, si Alexa. Ilapad.
Ayan, dito.
Hello.
Stop mo. Yan yung sa isa. Yan.
Pogi talaga, ni pare.
Yan, how are you?
Sir Alden, picture po. Dito po. Sir. Sir Alden, mag-picture po. Ay.
Medyo po ba? Medyo po ba?
So, kaya kami nila Alden and Mamang talagang very excited and always looking forward talaga kapag may dating.
At syempre, mag-Agosto na. At sabi nga, si Digo is 2045 on August 1. Also the At ito rin, celebrate yung birthday on August. May plano na ba kayo?
Well, plano namin pagsabay na yung birthday namin. August, syempre, tumaon ng August 2, which is GMA. So,
Ang laki ng party
ayun na nga,
na.
lahat invited.
So, double celebration.
Ganun na lang gawin namin.
Thank you, Yan.
Thank you.
Yan, last question. Ate Balota, meron bang upcoming na mga offer na ganun kauling mga acting roles na lumalapit sa iyo?
May mga lumalapit, pero syempre sabi ko nga, kailangan nating piliin yung mga dapat talagang gawin. But definitely, yes, may moving gagawin.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks, Yan.
Thanks.
Isang himala, Capital Films, UXS, Creation Studios. Child, Regal Entertainment, Southern Lantern Studios.
Hindi kayo kasal? Ay, kailan kayo magpapakasal?
Outside, Black Cat Pictures, Netflix.
Tell me, my darling, if you knew fate would be...
Under Apayaya Moon, Bacolawang Film Productions, Green Pelican Studios, Jungle Room Creatives.
Kamu nga mga bata, kinahanglan, pag-utanan, kinahanglan, hapos, kadasigon, permi. Kung ako,
And
Eddie's choice is... Green Bones!
Naman ang susunod na parangal na ating igagawad ay para sa mga producer na patuloy na nagtataguyod at nagtitiwala sa kapangyarihan ng isang pelikula.
Iginagawad ng Eddies ang parangal na ito sa produksyong naghatid sa atin ng hindi malilimutang mga pelikula na sumasalamin sa ating pagka-Pilipino.
Tulad ng Muro Ami noong 1999, Moments of Love noong 2006 at ang Metro Manila Film Festival 50th Best Picture, Green Bones.
The 8th Eddies Producer of the Year Award is presented to
GMA Pictures.
GMA Pictures.
Good evening po sa inyong lahat. Nais kong magpasalamat sa Speed at sa lahat ng bumubuo ng Eddies Awards. This is such an honor and I accept this with deep gratitude and humility. I would like to thank Speed for their invaluable help and support sa ating industriya. And I would like to recognize all Filipino movie producers because of the challenges and obstacles that our industry faces. Sa paggawa pa lang ng pelikula ay each and every one of us deserves an award. I want to share this award with all the talented, passionate, and tireless people behind each movie that GMA Pictures produces. To the directors, writers, actors who are here, our cinematographers, musical scholars, production designers, all the staff and crew behind each movie, this award is for you. I would like to specially acknowledge Nessa Baldelion, our EVP. She has given her talent and breathed new life into GMA Pictures. So sa'yo talaga to. Of course, to the Filipino audience, to the Filipino viewers, kayo ang inspirasyon namin sa patuloy ng paggawa ng pelikula. Because of you, we will continue to create stories that matter, stories that inspire, stories that speak the truth boldly, stories that celebrate the Filipino, our culture, our history, stories that contribute to nation building. Your love for Philippine cinema is really proof that storytelling inspires us to shape our future and community. And last but not the least, I would like to thank the Lord. To God be all the glory. Mabuhay ang pelikulang Pilipino. Thank you very much.